Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I'll be presenting about our invention called KeluLis. So it comes under the category of agriculture and aquaculture. So here are the list of the inventors, and myself is AidillaMubarak. We are all from the Faculty of Fisheries and Food Science, University Malaysia Terengganu, Malaysia. So KeluLis is a novel invention which is made up of propolis from the stingless bee. So stingless bee is a widely domesticated bee in Malaysia and neighboring countries such as Thailand and Indonesia. So the locals prefer to rear this species, and it is widely distributed and easy to manage. The propolis is a natural substance collected by the bees from different parts of the plant, and it is actually a natural product of the bees which helps to retain optimal structure and environment of the beehive. So we use the propolis from stingless bee to produce our invention, which is the KeluLis, and it is actually a novel natural fungicide treatment solution used for preservation of chili. So let me talk a little bit more about the novelty of the invention. So our product is actually a natural fungicide. It is a natural fungicide agent to help control anthracnose disease, delay deterioration, and maintain the post-harvest quality of chili. So anthracnose disease is a very common disease which infects many plants. So one of it is chili. So it is caused by a fungus and it enhances the spoilage. So the losses from vegetables that are infected with anthracnose is very high. Therefore, our product helps to delay this spoilage, and we can maintain the quality of the produce as much as possible. Another novelty of this invention is that it is an alternative utilization of the stingless bee propolis. So apart from using it in other applications such as in cosmetics, soap and others, it is also possible to use it as a natural fungicide for the preservation of vegetables. So our product is a new alternative utilization of this natural source. So our product sets to solve a number of industrial problems. So I've listed some industrial problems here on this slide. So the first one is about the anthracnose disease, which is caused by Coleotrichum species such as the Clostridium capsicum, which commonly infects the chilies. So our product, which is the KeluLis, shows antifungal activity against Clostridium capsicum, which thus inhibits the anthracnose. Another problem is that huge number of farmers were affected due to high post-harvest losses of chili and so many other vegetables during the COVID-19 pandemic, especially due to restrictions of transporting the goods to market and others. So our product solves this problem by increasing the shelf life of chili. Therefore, it solves the major post-harvest losses caused by anthracnose in chili's production line. The third problem is that there is a common use of synthetic fungicide to control anthracnose. However, this practice poses toxicity risk to human and also environmental issues. So the use of KeluLis can be an alternative to synthetic fungicide, and therefore it reduces the toxic effects and environmental problems. So here are some data to show the readiness of KeluLis for commercialization. So the first figure here shows the KeluLis in vitro antifungal activity. So the first figure shows the growth of Clostridium capsicum without addition of KeluLis, and the image on the bottom shows that with the addition of KeluLis, we saw a reduced growth of Clostridium capsicum, thus inhibiting anthracnose. The second figure here shows the effect of KeluLis on percentage of disease severity index in chili through in vivo testing. So from the data, we saw that KeluLis was effective in controlling the severity of disease on chili. Okay, here shows the testing of KeluLis on the effect on physical quality of chili. So from the data, we found that KeluLis was able to delay weight loss of chili. It was also able to delay reduction in firmness of the tested chili, and it also delayed the increase of redness in chili, which indicated a delayed ripening and enhanced shelf life of the chili. Next is the effect on chemical quality from the application of KeluLis on chili. KeluLis application showed a slower increase of total soluble solid value in chili, and it's lower the increase in lycopene content, which both indicates a delayed ripening of the chili, therefore an enhanced shelf life of chili throughout the days of storage that we tested. So all this data shows the effectiveness of KeluLis in extending the shelf life of chili and therefore reducing the post-harvest losses, especially during unprecedented times, such as the ones that we've experienced during the global pandemic. Okay, regarding the commercial potential, our target customer are the farmers and agricultural industries. We also target the entrepreneurs as well as hypermarket business. And in terms of value creation, our product definitely creates value to the field of agriculture. It is a novel treatment from natural base extract for enhancing shelf life of chili, and it is highly marketable. It is a strategic approach to delay spoilage of vegetables, particularly chili, that reduces the food waste. And especially during unprecedented times like this, we definitely need something to, as a mitigation strategy to control these losses. The application of KeluLis as fungicide can decrease the toxicity risk and safe for the environment. It is also easy to apply through spray application on the chili, and it is safe as KeluLis as propolis natural fungicide is safe for consumption. In terms of sustainability, the product definitely has a sustainable lifespan. The demand for effective natural treatment to enhance shelf life of perishable vegetables such as the chili. It is a natural-based product, so stainless bee propolis as a natural antifungal agent, and it helps to reduce food losses. So it reduces post-harvest losses for chili production line as well as helping farmers from losing profits. And it is also a sustainable approach to utilization of propolis as it's an added value for stainless bee propolis. In terms of costing, it is estimated to be RM15 per 1 liter of KeluLis, and 1 liter is sufficient for the application on 15 kilograms of chili. In terms of academic recognition and intellectual property rights, we have had graduated bachelor student, and we have submitted a manuscript which is under review currently, and a related product have been submitted for copyright application in the past, and we are awaiting for the approval. KeluLis is an improved formulation to that, so the application of copyright for this particular product is in the process. That's all from me. Thank you.